Finally, my custom-designed PCB has arrived manufactured by a company. Today, I'm going to unbox it and check out the quality firsthand. Inside this box is something I designed myself, and now we'll see how perfectly the company has turned my idea into reality. Let's get started with the unboxing of my very first custom PCB. I designed this PCB using an online software, but honestly, I wasn't fully satisfied with the service of this particular website. I can't reveal the name here because then it might look like a sponsored video. But if you're interested to know, just drop a comment, and in my upcoming video, I'll share about one of the top websites that provides much better service at a very low cost. The PCBs that arrived in this shipment were carefully vacuum sealed in plastic and additionally wrapped in protective foam to ensure that no damage could occur during transportation. The entire package is quite large, containing roughly between 80 to 85 PCBs in total, which actually makes this one of the biggest PCB orders I have placed so far. Inside the box, there are 4 different designs included. The first design consists of ESP8266-based NAT router PCBs, which are particularly useful for network-related projects. The second design is an 8266 Spanish pesetas-based IoT lamp PCB, tailored for smart lighting applications. The third design is built around the IC3238 chip and functions as a flight controller, a crucial component for drones or similar electronic builds. Lastly, the shipment also contains 3 personalized PCB designs, which I had already discussed and showcased in my previous video. Overall, this delivery is not only special because of its size, but also because of the variety of unique PCB projects it represents. PCB quality is excellent, makes it easy to solder small assembly components. Let's start learning PCB design, where ideas turn into real hardware. Here you can see the design process of my custom PCB, created with the help of design software. Next, PCB also offers a tool called HQDFM, which checks your Gerber files for errors, analyzes manufacturability, and even gives instant quotes. It's really useful for ensuring your PCB is production ready. The only downside is that it's not a full design software. You still need tools like Altium, KiCad, or EasyEder to actually create the layouts. I prefer using Altium Designer for all my projects. I duplicated it to make a 1:2 LED snowflake ornament. Updating the net names was a bit tedious, but it was necessary for accuracy. Initially, I planned to power it with 3 coin cells, but later optimized the design to run on just 1 to save space. After finalizing the schematic, I created the PCB document and imported the design into it. Using the Altium logo creator script, I added custom PCB artwork and arranged the components in a snowflake pattern. This step is extremely important because accuracy here ensures that the PCB will function perfectly once it's manufactured. Friends, if you're interested in creating a custom PCB offline, that's also completely possible. All you need to do is leave a comment, and I will guide you step by step in one of my upcoming videos on how to design and build your own custom PCB without relying on online tools. This is where the real magic happens, turning a simple idea into a real, working electronic board. While designing our PCB, we need to place every component very carefully. None of the parts should be misplaced or left unaligned, so we'll make sure each component is positioned properly to avoid any kind of issue later. All LEDs are placed on the top layer, while the transistors, RC network, and battery holder sit on the bottom layer. In Altium's 3D view, the board looks stunning, though the manufactured version will come in a sleek matte black finish. If you're also interested in learning about 3D printing and CNC part designing, feel free to let me know in the comments. I'll be covering this topic in one of my upcoming videos. So friends, this is the PCB I designed, and as you can see, the overall look and quality didn't feel too impressive to me. But I'd love to hear your opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For now, that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and goodbye.